Voyager 1, the tiny spacecraft launched by humanity nearly 5 decades ago, is still out there, gliding through the dark, silent void of interstellar space. When it left Earth in 1977, no one could have imagined that this small machine, equipped with outdated 1970s technology, would become one of the greatest storytellers in human history. Tasked with a mission many deemed nearly impossible, to cross the known boundaries of our solar system, explore the outermost planets, and perhaps, just maybe, venture into the vast, uncharted expanse of interstellar space. Voyager 1 has not only succeeded, but transformed everything we thought we knew about the edge of our cosmic neighborhood. After flying past the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, sending back breathtaking, never-before-seen images that reshaped our understanding of those distant worlds, Voyager 1 pressed on. It didn't slow down. It didn't look back. It plunged deeper into the abyss, farther than any human-made object had ever gone. Then, in 2012, it crossed a boundary scientists had long dreamed of reaching: the heliopause, the invisible barrier separating our sun's domain from the vastness of interstellar space. It was the first human creation to leave the solar system, and it sent back whispers from the unknown. Now, more than 47 years after its launch, Voyager 1 has stunned us again. It has discovered something new, something strange. From a remote, icy frontier called the heliopod, Voyager 1 has detected a mysterious phenomenon that scientists describe not only as bizarre but as impossible. The signals and data it sent back seem to defy everything we thought we knew about the edge of our solar system. This is no technical glitch or error. It's real. It's happening. The region Voyager 1 has entered is no ordinary place. It's the boundary between two worlds, the final breath of our sun's influence and the first breath of deep interstellar space. This boundary, the heliopause, marks the point where the solar wind, a constant stream of charged particles from our sun, loses its strength. Beyond this invisible line lies the cold, harsh vacuum of the galaxy, filled with forces we can't yet explain, let alone control. Subscribe before the aliens visit us. For years, scientists thought they had a clear idea of what lay beyond the heliopause. The magnetic fields there were supposed to be stable, quiet, predictable. But Voyager 1's recent transmissions paint a very different picture. The probe is detecting fluctuations, subtle but undeniable, in the surrounding magnetic field. These fluctuations aren't random. They follow strange, pulsating patterns, like vibrations or echoes from a distant force pressing against the edge of the solar system. No one expected this. Nothing in our current models explains it. Most shocking of all, the magnetic field in this region was supposed to be nearly flat, a calm, empty sea of silence. Instead, Voyager 1 seems to be drifting through an energy storm, like a leaf caught in an invisible wind. Some experts believe this could hint at an entirely unknown type of energy, something we've never recorded, never observed, and never prepared for. Others go further. They speculate that these magnetic pulses might be a reaction, a kind of cosmic pushback, from something beyond the solar system itself. As if something far outside our sun's reach is moving toward us, leaving ripples at the heliopause. The question is no longer just where the solar system ends, but who or what might be knocking on the other side. These repeating signals, faint but persistent, are unlike anything Voyager 1 has encountered in its nearly half-century journey. They don't match the signature of known cosmic radiation, solar activity, or other electromagnetic phenomena typically found in space. Instead, they seem to have their own rhythm, their own pattern, as if generated by a force or presence we haven't yet identified. The idea is both thrilling and unsettling. Voyager 1 may have stumbled upon something we didn't even know to look for. Some scientists now believe we might be witnessing the first signs of a monumental discovery, one pointing to a hidden structure at the edge of the solar system. Imagine an invisible energy grid, a web-like connection of forces linking our solar system to the rest of the galaxy. This is no longer science fiction. It's a hypothesis grounded in Voyager 1's real-time data. The implications are staggering. If confirmed, it would mean our solar system isn't floating in isolation but is connected to a much larger network, a cosmic infrastructure tying star systems across the Milky Way. Other theories are even more extreme. There's speculation that the heliopause might be under pressure, squeezed by powerful energy currents from the depths of space. These currents could come from nearby stars, massive galactic events, or even unknown sources far beyond anything we've ever mapped. If true, Voyager 1 isn't just exploring space, it's interacting with it, battling waves of force that challenge our fundamental understanding of the universe. There's also the provocative possibility that the solar system itself isn't as passive as we thought. What if these magnetic fluctuations aren't just external but part of a larger conversation, an interaction between our solar bubble and something beyond? What if we're seeing the first evidence that our solar system is being shaped by outside forces, forces that bend fields, twist energy, and perhaps even influence the behavior of distant spacecraft? This discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. It's not just data, it's a wake-up call. Voyager 1 may have unveiled a hidden property of the universe, something that's always been there, but remained invisible until now. Some researchers speculate that these phenomena could be remnants of ancient stellar winds or interstellar currents flowing from powerful, distant sources. Others, however, suggest something far more profound. These energy pulses might be a form of cosmic communication, a natural way the galaxy exchanges information across light years. And then there's the comment that set the space community abuzz. Elon Musk, a leading figure in space exploration, weighed in on Voyager 1's mysterious findings. He called the discovery a wake-up call for humanity, suggesting these signals could not only inspire but accelerate our efforts to build spacecraft capable of true interstellar travel. Musk, whose ambitions with SpaceX already extend beyond Mars, has long believed that reaching other star systems is not just possible but necessary. For him, Voyager 1's data could be the spark that ignites a new era of human exploration, one where we stop merely observing the galaxy and start venturing into it. If Voyager 1's discovery is what it seems, it could serve as an invitation from the universe, a gentle knock at the door to look deeper, go farther, and question everything we thought we knew. This tiny probe, still running on decades-old systems, has done what no modern technology has. It's pulled back the curtain at the edge of the solar system, revealing a vast, active frontier waiting to be understood. More than 14 billion miles away, in a place colder than any known void, Voyager 1 drifts on, sending faint but invaluable clues. These aren't just signals, they're breadcrumbs leading us toward one of the greatest scientific revolutions in modern history. The universe is speaking, Voyager 1 is listening, and now, so are we. Stay tuned for the adventure. Watch this video next.